to be a growing tower alone on the sea. You became a light on the dark side of me. Life remains a drug as the heart of the pill. Did you know that when it snows, my eyes become larger? The light that you shine can be seen. Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, a stranger it feels, yeah. Now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave. If I should forward it all's on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave. There is so much this man can tell you, so much I can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain, to make it right, a picture I can't deny. Won't you tell me, is it perfect way? Did you know when it's snow, my eyes become larger? The light that you shine can be seen. Baby, I can feel till my hands get stronger. Yeah. The more I get you, a stranger. Yeah. Now that your rose is bloom, the light hits the gloom on the grave. Now that your rose is bloom, light hits the gloom on the grave. Ha! Fam, you brought it, you killed it, you destroyed it. In fact, if not because I know the real singer of that song, I don't even know what to say, man. Like, you made that song yours. Fantastic. Ah!
Yes, bro. Yes.
Yeah. You say something?
Listen, that's my all-time favorite song ever on earth. That's the first song I ever wrote out word for word on a piece of paper when I was like, I don't even know, and sang and learned word for word. Seal is incredible, but you are just incredible, if that was ever a word. I felt every moment, and you know, there was a bet between them. They were like, is he going to be able to deliver this song? That song is so technical. It is the most technical song I have ever heard, in fact. I don't know who's going to agree with me. And you killed it, you delivered it, you really did it. I'm so shocked, I'm so surprised. So you see, guys, you delivered it, he did it. I've never heard anyone sing that song as good as that before. Yeah, well done.
Emmanuel, you know the crazy thing is I'm not even surprised. You know, I mean, we were sitting here, I was just sitting here, and I was like nervous as hell. I said, this guy can't go home. This guy can't go home. If we're talking about superstars, we're talking about personality.